Hi, this is Kathy, and this is the intraday harmonic scenario for ES for tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, the 16th of March. Okay, um, coming into today, I was wanting to see if price would take out either get above this previous high of 2015 or take out this double sword line around the 1990 area. Now, it also correlates with yellow neutral zones. I call them neutral zones on the volume profile chart. And we have no resolution, right? And real quick, let me jump over here to the profile chart. And as you can see, we've had 3 days holding inside these valleys, okay? These are the low volume nodes of this composite. They're called composite low volume nodes. And the peak, if you were to turn your head sideways, this would be a mountain, and these are the valleys. And the peaks are where both buyers and sellers like to be. And so we have 3 days of both buyers and sellers saying, yeah, I kind of like it around here. So really we're looking for price to either get above the yellow zone or below this yellow zone, okay? Also, if you were to put these three, now if you'll look today, Tuesday, and yesterday, Monday, were both pretty balanced days, right? And the day before, there was a little bit, it's kind of like a triple POC type of day. And so on Friday, it was, 3 different distinct areas of acceptance. Then yesterday, it focused on the upper portion of that range. And today, it focused on the lower portion of that range. And so if you were to put all 3 of these together, it would be a really beautiful bell curve shaped balanced profile. And what that means is chop, right? Okay, so that just correlates with what we're looking at with price holding inside this zone. Now, harmonically speaking, price completed an ABCD 1.272 extension, and its ideal minimum retracement target is 1962.50. And there is an attempt to do a rollover type thing, but keep your eye on momentum if it's going to hold above or below its midpoint. And we do have an impulsive move and a pullback, which, that gives us our first triangle, right? And in the world of harmonics, we like for it to at least retrace 38.2%. When it can't do that, that implies that price is going to breach it. And so what that means is if price takes out this point of 1995, harmonically speaking, the ideal target is down here at the 1951.50 area, okay, for an alternate bat. So this becomes a significant level at the 1995 area and also the 2015. So what we're looking for is if price is able to hold above this 2016, the ABCD, okay, the initial target is going to be this gap. And I did add that 2009 gap, so let me just put that on here. If price is able to hold above this previous swing high, then the initial target is going to be to fill that gap at 2027.50, and it correlates with the weekly sword line. But the ideal target is going to be higher. There's a whole lot of stuff going on at that 2044 area, okay? And if you'll look at the profile chart, we're getting back up into another area of acceptance, another peak area, right? Okay, so that always behaves like a magnet until price can move on from it. And that's what we're waiting for now. Okay, if price holds below 2015, then the initial pullback target is going to be this point of the triangle, and if it breaks down there, it increases the probability of it attempting to test that 1951.50. Now, on a larger scale, there's a shark harmonic pattern, and that has a lot of convergence as well, just like the 2044 area. So that becomes the magnet to the downside. So until proven otherwise, I would look at these noted levels as targets or scaling points en route to my ideal target of 1921.75. Okay? Hope that makes sense.